Hey guys, it's Destin with Noack Farms, and we are here today to do a head-to-head competition between the WD-40 Rust Remover Soak and the Evaporust Rust Remover Soak. Now, I have used this one before. This is not a new product to me. I've used it before, but I've found this one on Amazon as well. They're both very similarly priced. I will leave links to the bottom. So for the competition, I have a couple buckets. I have cleaned these out for the most part, and I have got a pair of pliers, a pair of vice grips, another pair of pliers, a set of Allen keys. I don't know what the hell that is. I got this from my grandpa. He needed some stuff removed. So, and a couple screwdrivers that are pretty rusty. So I'll bring you all around, and we'll do a couple in each one. We'll do like a plier in each one, a screwdriver in each one, and see how it turns out. Right. So we'll leave them right on these. So we got WD-40, Evaporust. So, this is my old container of Evaporust. You can reuse it, but I wanted to have a fresh batch. So I've got a smaller container of it, and this was like 10 bucks. So this runs about, the WD-40 one and the Evaporust, which is about a gallon, run about $30 a piece. So we're gonna put a pair of pliers in each one. We'll put an Allen wrench in Evaporust, vice grips in here. I'll put a screwdriver in this one, and then let's see. And then that thing, whatever the hell that is. I got some wrenches too that I had in my drawer. They're not too, a couple of them are pretty rusty, but we'll go ahead and we'll get these filled out. So this one is the Evaporust. We're gonna fill that up in the bucket. This stuff is environmentally safe, so I guess I would read the directions if I were you. I have before, and I feel pretty safe about it. It's not going to rip the skin off my freaking hands. But we'll go ahead and fill it up enough to where we cover the top of the tools. And like I said, this I know for a fact is reusable, so you can reuse it again. So once it's done, you can strain it, and you can put it back in the container. So, got the Evaporust completely covering those tools. We'll go ahead and sit that one off to the side. And this one has the WD-40. We're going to put that. Got that Spyderco. Spyderco action there. All right. Alright, and we'll go ahead and, oh, this one's white instead of yellow. That's different. So we'll go fill it to the top of the tools. Alright, and so I know with the rust remover, the rust, what is it called? Evaporust. I said leave it overnight. So I'm going to do the same thing with the WD-40. So now I'm going to set these off to the side, and I'm going to probably let them go overnight and check them in the morning. It's about 75 degrees in my garage or so right now. I don't know if the temperature matters, but like I said, I'm going to leave these overnight and we'll check them in the morning. Alright, so it's not the next day, it's not the day after the next, it's not the day, I forgot about this for 4 days. But that being said, you can really see which one did a better job right now. We have WD-40 Rust Remover Soak, and we have Evaporust Remover. Let's take a look. Wow. Look at that. I don't even know if there's any tools down there still. But then you come over here and look. It's not quite as dark. So I'm wondering which one did the better job. I'll let you be the judge. So all these tools are about the same rustiness. Let's go ahead and get them out on some paper towels and we'll check it out. All right, so we're gonna look at the Evaporust first. All right. I'll tell you, man, that looks really good. I don't know what the hell that is. My grandpa was pulled out of his toolbox. And they all look pretty clean. And of course, I'm gonna spray them with some WD-40. All right, that's all for that bucket. Let's look at the other bucket. That's pretty wild. Wow. All right. Well, the WD-40 one certainly is grosser. I don't know that it did a better job though. Let's turn it around. Left is the WD-40. I think it did a pretty good job. It's real oily. It's real like greasy and gritty still. Unlike the Evaporust, this all came out really clean actually. It's almost like all the nastiness soaked to the bottom. I mean, it just seems like it came out cleaner. Let's get them cleaned up and then we'll check them out. So the one on the right, after I cleaned it up, is the one that was in the Evaporust. Now if you look at it, it's kind of more shiny. These are essentially the same wrenches. And this is the one that was in the WD-40 one. And it's really pretty gritty on the outside, and it's not as clean, I don't think. For the most part. I don't know. Based on what the liquid looked like, I would have given it to Rust-Oleum or to the WD-40, but based on the quality of the rust removal, I'd probably say that the Evaporust is the winner here. Also, the Evaporust, I could have reused that as well. The WD-40 brand said you can reuse it, but I'm not putting that black stuff back in the bottle with the rest of the clean stuff. I'll try to do another test here in the future, but today I'm gonna have to give the winner to Evaporust.